Hey guys, it's the Mountain Man here, and welcome to Banjo-Kazooie. This is a classic collectathon 3D platformer. One that didn't invent the genre, but I think it really refined it into what it's mostly known for nowadays, you know? But anyway, let's get started. It's by Rareware. I think they just go by Rare nowadays, but um Rareware is what they used to be called. It was originally on the Nintendo 64, but I'm playing the Xbox 360, the Xbox Live port, because there's a few quality of life changes in it, and I think it also has a better frame rate and just sharper image. But anyway, let's go ahead and I had a failed take because I was way too close to the mic and was just constantly peaking. So let's go ahead and erase that save and get started. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm excited. Ding pot by the bench. Who's the nicest looking wench?
Why, it's Grunty any day. She really takes my breath away.
Yes, you're right. I'm rather proud. My looks stand me out from the crowd.
But there is this girl.
What do you mean this cannot be? There's no one prettier than me.
Why, it's Tootie, young and small. She's the prettiest girl of all.
No, you must be mad. Nicer beauty can't be had.
Unfortunately, I think you'll find it's Tootie. She's cute and kind.
Well, we'll see about that. Hi there, Tootie. What are you going to do today? When my big lazy brother wakes up, we're going on an adventure. Wake up! I want to go on an adventure too. If Tootie thinks she's fairer than me, I'll steal her looks and ugly she'll be. Is that your brother? Where, Mr. Mole? I can't see him. Up there in the sky. I don't think so. Who is that? Come to me, my little pretty. You'll soon be ugly. What a pity. Let me go, you ugly old hag! Don't scratch and bite, my little bear. You'll soon need bigger underwear. Oh no, she's got her. Somebody, help! Banjo, wake up, now!
Oh, what do you want, Kazooie?
Let's get outside. There's trouble! Alright, so we got no time to waste. It seems our little sister has been kidnapped by a witch. Listen up. I'm Bottles, the short-sided mole.
I'm Banjo, and this here's my buddy Kazooie.
Sure is a strange-looking buddy, Banjo. Can it talk?
Better than you can, Goggle Boy.
What was all that noise about? Where's my sister, Tootie?
The ugly witch Gruntilda swooped down out of the sky and grabbed her.
Calm down, Geeky. We'll get her back. Where'd she go?
She flew up to her mountain lair. It's really dangerous, so you'll probably need some training before you go up there. Press A if you want me to teach you some basic moves, or B if you think you're already good enough. So I'm gonna accept the training.
We'd like some help, Bottles. What do we do?
Explore this area and look out for my molehills. Stand next to them and press X to call me. See you soon. Alright, so we got this level here to explore. This is Spiral Mountain, Banjo-Kazooie, and I think it's Bottles' home too, Tootie's as well. So it's called Spiral Mountain because of the mountain with the spiral that goes up it right in the middle, and there's Gruntilda's lair right there. But we got a molehill right here, so let's go and press X next to it.
Anyone home?
Hello again. Start with the camera controls. They're on the right stick.
Geez, that's not special.
Try this then, Beaky. Tap the right or left bumper, then move the camera behind Banjo.
Is that all, Worm Breath?
No. Hold the right or left bumper to keep the camera behind your feathery butt. Try it out. I'll see you at the next molehill. Alright, so we got the basic camera controls. We can't really do much now. We got a little hop. We can crouch and go in a circle, but not much else. We press all these buttons and it doesn't really do anything. But let's go around the mountain clockwise. Why not? So let's go to this one. Your jump could do with some help.
Pa! Wouldn't moles know about jumping?
More than you. Press A to jump and hold it jump higher. Come on, Feathers. You can give him a hand.
Why? I look stupid. I know it.
Jump, then press A again in the air for a double jump. Alright. You know, basic platforming stuff.
That's it. We're ready to move on.
Not until you learn this one. First, you must stand like this.
What? Wearing ridiculous glasses and a silly grin?
I'm not listening. Hold the right or left trigger, then press A for the mighty flip-flap jump. Alright, so we got our little backflip there, like from Mario 64. That's all the jumps. Keep practicing. Alright, so we got all these stumps to jump across now. And I don't think there's anything over here, but there is something over here. So let's flip-flap jump up here and pick this up. And it'll talk to us. I'm an extra honeycomb piece. Collect 6 of us to increase your energy. Bard. Yeah, the dialogue's a little slow in this game, but I guess it's better to be too slow so you can still read it than too fast where you can't read it. But that's a extra honeycomb piece. Like it said, you get 6 and you get extra health. I think we just have 5 right now, yeah. But I'm at 10 minutes, so I'm gonna end it here. So, like I say, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all next time, and we will continue exploring around Spiral Mountain. See ya.